Jones Children's Center for Science and Technology, and with me today is Mr. Ralph, Inspire Manager Extraordinaire. Oh wow, Children's Center. Okay, all I see, Mr. Ralph, are bottles of water.
Yeah, ordinary bottles of water, and it's kind of boring, isn't it? You know, you sit around and you're like, oh, what are we going to do?
I want to say, oh wow.
Well, okay, well, let's see if we can get to that point.
Okay.
All right, so first, Madonna, I want to explain what we're going to do here is we're going to do a little experiment. We're going to do a little experiment. But first, I want you to take the cap off that water and pour it in here, and I want you to see how slow it comes out.
Okay.
It's kind of boring, and I know it's not made for TV, but can you pour it any faster? You can shake it, you can do what you want with it. It doesn't come out.
No.
And it's because air's trying to get into the bottle and water's trying to get out and air's trying to get in and water's getting out. So it just doesn't mix. It's not happening. So I'm going to do something here. I'm going to make a little trick happen. I'm going to attempt to get the water to come out just a little bit faster.
Than mine did?
Than yours did. So I'm going to turn the water upside down. Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to turn it. Let's see if we can.
Okay.
So what I semi-did was I created what normally would be referred to as
pressure. There's like a little funnel. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
right,
whoa.
Or a vortex.
A vortex.
A vortex, and a vortex is in this liquid is a motion of the water revolving around in a circle that created a pocket so that air was able to get in and water was able to come out at the same time.
I see.
Pretty neat, huh?
But I think it is.
We still don't have that, it's just not there. Okay. So we need something more. So there was a gentleman that was fiddle-faddling around when he was younger. His name is Craig Burnham. And he had bottles, and he had duct taped them together, and he got a little washer, and he got a little experimentation going on, and exploration, kind of like what we attempt to do down. Well, what happened here?
Oh no!
So
it's not coming through.
Well, it's not coming through because, again, we have air trying to get in to where the water's at. It's just not. Yeah, you can tap it, you can do whatever you want, but
it's not coming through.
There's a pressure there. So again, what we need to do is find a way, be imaginative, and try to get that water to come down into the lower region there. So I want you to do it in a circular motion, like I did with mine. Go ahead, turn around in a circle, like spin it around in a circle.
Okay.
All right, spin it around real fast, real fast. Let's see if we can get that going. Okay, let it go. Oh, and look what you did.
I see a tornado inside of there.
Right, or a vortex. Well,
a vortex.
Children refer to it as a tornado. So that's kind of neat.
I am childlike.
We all are. So wow. So we're still at that moment where it's kind of like a neat teaching moment for children. When you have all these bottles in your homes and you have that moment where you have the kids and you got them captured, now you can do something fun. But there's still just not that wow, right? So wouldn't it be cool if we could color the vortex and make it so that we can see it even more clear? Let's do that. So the gentleman that I just referred to is Craig Burnham. He created these little, well, my mom would call them like a tootaroo, but it's not. But this is a tornado tube. Okay. So what we're going to do with the tornado tube is we're going to attach it to one end of an empty soda bottle. Okay. And because water is at its thickness, we need something that's just as, if not equal to thickness of water, which I have.
We've got a minute 30. John says a minute 30.
Okay, so I'm going to take some lamp oil because lamp oil has the same thickness as water. So watch what it does. It's just going to float.
It's floating on the top.
It's floating on the top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our other bottle here. Yeah, we're getting to that wow moment. So here it is. Here's that
wow moment.
Here's that wow moment. So then we're going to turn it upside down. Right? And we didn't do anything, did we?
We need to shake it up.
We need to shake it up.
Shake it up.
And there.
All right, look at us. Oh, wow.
And there's that moment.
Tornado.
There's that moment.
Oh, after we just shake it up. I love it. I love it. You know, this is great. You're awesome. High five.